before sleeping.
Honey, we have to wake up early tomorrow morning.
Okay, honey. Wake me up if you wake up before me.
Let's set the alarm.
What time?
5 a.m.
That's a bit early.
I know, but we don't want to miss the sunrise.
Is the weather okay?
Yes, it will be clear and cold. Perfect for hiking.
I'm not sure.
Trust me, the sunrise hike is worth it.
Okay, I'll try.
Good night.
Good night, honey.
Waking up.
Oh no, what is that sound?
It's the alarm.
Turn it off, please. It's still dark outside.
Yes, but we want to see the sunrise.
I'm so sleepy.
Come on, the mountain is waiting.
Honey, you get up first.
Okay, honey.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Packing hiking stuff.
Let's pack our hiking bag.
What do we need for the hike?
We need a flashlight, water, and food.
Here's the flashlight. Do we have enough water?
Yes, 2 bottles and hot water in the thermos.
Great! I brought bread and chocolate bars.
Perfect. We'll need energy.
On the way.
It's so quiet outside.
Yes, the city is still sleeping.
Look at the stars. They're beautiful.
We don't see this every day.
That's why I love early morning hikes.
Me too. I feel peaceful.
Hiking up.
This path is steep. Let's walk slowly.
I'm getting tired.
Take a deep breath. We're doing great.
Can we rest for a minute?
Sure. Drink some water.
Okay, I'm ready to continue.
You're strong. Let's keep going.
At the top.
We made it. Look at the horizon. The sun is rising.
Wow, the sky is turning gold.
This view is amazing.
It was worth waking up early.
Yes, this sunrise feels special.
The end of the journey.
I feel refreshed and happy.
Me too, honey. Nature gives us energy.
This is a perfect start to the day. And a healthy life.
Happy sunrise.
Happy sunrise. Thank you for watching.